Collie Tones.
Yeah, this is what it is. For those out there that don't know, I go by the name of Knowledge. Out here in this concrete jungle, it ain't safe. But real niggas stand up. Let's go. Don't make us turn it up, or we gon' shut it down. Don't make us turn it up, or we gon' shut it down. Don't make us turn it up, or we gon' shut it down. Don't make us turn it up, or we gon' shut it down. Stop playing with me. 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 Stop it. Don't know what else to tell you, but this is not a gimmick. To understand my story, you gotta more than live it. You gotta learn to breathe it, gotta learn to love it. And I'ma oversee it like there's nothing else from it. Boogie got robbed for a chain out in Flatbush. Big Ben dead it child on a pound of kush. I'm trying to tell you this is not a good look. Bring you a real nigga, so you gotta know your man's book. Shells in a shooter, that little nigga high. He ain't hitting nothing, he aiming at the sky, aiming at the ground, shooting up the trees. Call them the Gully Gang, but they not impressing me. Word on my life, man, I almost had him. Wherever, whenever I see him, man, I'm getting at him. Let the Big Mac splatter. If I don't do it myself, then I'ma send the wolf pack at him like